another Power Talk with Archana. Power Talk with Archana decided to celebrate the youth of our country and children worldwide. The Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, the ladies' wing at Lucknow, to run a competition for these young entrepreneurs. In collaboration with Power Talk with Archana, Vicky Flow had several entries pouring in from the young entrepreneurs. However, we've declared only 6 winners. I have one of the 6 winners with me today, Shaan Garg. Shaan is a 12-year-old boy. He comes from the city of Lucknow. A grade 6 student studying at St. Francis College, he has really done his school proud. He is a lover of chess and has developed an app called Murphy with Chess Analyzer. Let's find out a lot more from this boy, this young entrepreneur, what he has to say about this new app he has developed. Hello, Shaan.
Hello.
How are you doing, Shaan?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
So the name of your app is Murphy, the Chess Analyzer. Tell us something about your app.
Basically, I was stuck at home and I'm a national level chess player. I was missing out on crucial training in the pandemic and missing my chess friends. So I decided to develop an app to help other people improve their game. There are 2 categories in the app. First is the coach analyzer and the second is student player. Basically, in the student player category, there are 3 tiers: premium, budget and standard. In the budget category, the student players they can get the game analyzed for only 10 rupees, and in the standard category, they can get the game analyzed and get some tips too.
Wow.
For 20 rupees. And in the premium category, they can get the game analyzed and get a live lesson from the coach analyzers.
Lovely. I think that is really wonderful.
Yeah. Now coming back to the coach analyzers, they can basically sign up and teach the student players, and they can get paid too for it. They'll get paid too.
Lovely. Lovely. So how many coach analyzers do you have on your app?
I have 2, but I'm looking for more.
All right. Lovely. So that means for rupees 10 or rupees 20, you can actually understand what went wrong while playing chess and also learn in the process what could have been the right move, right?
Yeah. But
Great.
in the premium category, it's 100 rupees.
Sorry?
In the premium category, the last one, it's 100 rupees.
All right. So that means if any student wants to be coached by a coach and learn the art of playing chess, then it would cost them 100 rupees. And how much is the session for? How long is the session?
The session is 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay. And what are your future plans with your business?
I'm basically trying to find funds through crowdfunding. I'll try to raise funds from 50,000 to 2 lakhs. And I'll upgrade my app. I'll host chess tournaments in my app for prize money too.
That is lovely. Okay. So how did you get the idea of making the app? Because I think making an app is a very difficult thing. Who taught you how to make an app?
Actually, my dad taught me how to make an app, and he helped me. To make the app too.
Okay. So what software are you using to make the app?
Squarespace.
Okay. And how much time did this take you to create this app?
The preview of the app, only the preview. It took 2 hours to make only the preview.
Okay. So this app is available for free for people to subscribe?
Yeah.
All right, Shan, thank you so much for speaking to us. We wish you all the best and may you accomplish all your goals and really get your app very soon on Play Store and on iOS. We wish you all the best. Thank you so much for speaking to Power Talk with Archana.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Have a nice day to you too.